In this video, I'll explain how to find Laplace transform of unit step function. So first let us define what is unit step function. See, u of t minus a, this is how to denote the unit step function. At a, u of t minus a equal to 0 if t is less than or equal to a, and 1 if t is greater than a. And in particular, if a equal to 0, then you will get u of t as 0 if t less than or equal to 0, 1 if t is greater than 0. So it is called as unit step function or Heaviside function because here, see, when t less than 0, so it is towards the negative x-axis. This is extension. It is 0. So this is the graph. And t equal to 0 also it is 0. When t greater than 0, it is equal to 1. That is from here. Here don't shade this point because for 0 it is 0 not equal to 1. So it looks like a step now like this. That's why it is called as unit step function. So if you consider any other point in particular, in that case also you will get this kind of graph. That's why it is called as a unit step function. This is how to define the unit step function. So if you want, you have t minus 1, then it is 0 if t less than or equal to 1, 1 if t is greater than 1. Such function is called as unit step function. Now let us find out how to get the Laplace transform of unit step. See, Laplace transform of u of t minus a unit step function equal to e power minus as divided by s. This is the formula to find out Laplace transform of u of t minus a. It is e power minus as divided by s. So in particular, if a equal to 0, what happens? Laplace transform of u of t it becomes, then e power a is 0, e power 0 is 1, 1 by, yes, it gives you the Laplace transform of u of t as 1 by s. Next, Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e power minus as into f of s, where this f of s is the Laplace transform of f of t. So this is another important formula. You have just u of t minus a. This is the formula to find out Laplace transform. If you have any other function in terms of f of t minus a, then e power minus a is into f of s, where f of s is the Laplace transform of f of t. Next, if the function is given as, function has two different values at two different points like t less than or equal to a and t greater than a. So in that case, you can write the function f of t as f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. This is how to write a function in terms of a unit step function. So you have a function which is split in this way: t less than or equal to a, this is the function value; t greater than or equal to t greater than a, this is the function value f2. So if you want to write f in terms of unit step function, then it is f1 of t plus f2 minus f1 into u of t minus a. Suppose you have three different values for the function, the t less than or equal to a, t greater than a, less than or equal to b, and t greater than b. So in that case, to write the given function in terms of Heaviside function, it is f1 of t plus f2 minus f1 into u of t minus a, because the common point here it is a, plus next f3 minus f2 into u of t minus b. Here common point is b. So you have to write f in terms of Heaviside function, then you can find its Laplace transform. So these are the main important formula to be remembered. Laplace transform of Heaviside function is e power minus as by s. So in particular, Laplace transform of u of t equal to 1 by s. Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is e power minus as into f of s, where f of s is Laplace transform of f of t. If f is given in terms of 2 or 3 function, this is the formula to write f in terms of unit step function. Then you can find the Laplace transform of such function. Let us illustrate all these formulae with an example. So consider the first example. You have to find out Laplace transform of sin t into u of t minus pi. So there is u of t minus pi. So there is a step function. So what is the formula to find out Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a? It is equal to e power minus as into f of s, where f of s is the Laplace transform of f of t. So first let us write here what is a. Here a equal to pi. Okay, and in the place of f of t minus pi, what you have, that is sin t. So f of t minus a, f of t minus pi means sin t. So I need f of t. Why I need f of t? Because f of s is Laplace transform of f of t. Therefore I need f of t. This is f of t minus pi, not f of t. So replace t by t plus pi. So t pi minus pi cancels, you will get f of t, sin of t plus pi. So sin of 180 plus theta in the third quadrant it is. So it is minus sin theta. So it is minus sin t. So now get what is f of s. What is Laplace transform of f of t? Laplace transform of minus sin t, which is minus 1 by s square plus 1. This is your f of s. Now once you got f of s, formula is e power minus as into f of s. So e to the power minus s pi into minus 1 by s square plus 1. So this is the answer to the given question. Similarly, second example, you have to find Laplace transform of 3t square plus 4t plus 5 into u of t minus 3. So again the same formula. Here f of t minus 3 equal to 3t square plus 4t plus 5 and a equal to 3. So what is the formula? E power minus as into f of s. So I need f of s now. Okay, so here this is f of t, replace t by t plus 3 minus 3, cancels, you will get f of t, 3 into t plus 3 whole square plus 4 into t plus 3 plus 5. Okay, this is f of t minus 3. Don't take this as f of t and don't find its Laplace transform. It is wrong. This is f of t minus 3. From that you have to get f. What is f of t? Replacing t by t plus 3. Let us simplify this. T square plus 9 plus 60 plus 4t plus 12 plus 5. So this gives you 3t square plus 27 plus 18t plus 4t plus 70. So this gives you 3t square plus 22t plus 44. So this is your f of t now. You have to find out Laplace transform of f of t. So Laplace transform of 3t square. 3 is constant. Laplace transform of t square is 2 by s cube. Next, plus 22 into Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square plus 44 is a constant. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Okay, now let us substitute that in this formula. So what is the Laplace transform of this 3t square plus 4t plus 5 into u of t minus 3 equal to e to the power minus as, means a is 3 here, e power minus 3s into this value 6 by s cube plus 22 by s square plus 44 by s. This is the final answer. So whenever f of t minus 3 was given, you have to write it in the form of f of t by replacing t by t plus 3. See one more problem now. Find Laplace transform of this function by expressing that function in terms of unit step function, because you know that Laplace transform of this function can be found using the definition of Laplace transform. Now by expressing this function as in terms of unit step function, you have to find out the Laplace transform. So this is f1, this is f2. You know that how to write f in terms of unit step function. F1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. Correct? No? So here f1 is t plus f2 is 5 minus t into u of t minus a is 4, because the common point here it is 4. Now you have to find the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t equal to Laplace transform of t plus Laplace transform of 5 minus t into u of t minus 4. Here Laplace transform of t direct form 1 by s square. Okay, t to the power 1 it is, plus here you need the previous formula. So here now f of t minus 4 equal to 5 minus t. We need f of t, replace t by t plus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancels. 5 minus t plus 4. So you will get 5 minus 4, 1, 1 minus t. This is your f of t. Okay, what is the formula for this? E power minus as into f of s. So a is 4 here. So e power minus 4s into what is Laplace transform of 1 minus t? That is Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s minus Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square. So this is the Laplace transform of given function in terms of a unit step function. See the next problem. You have to find the Laplace transform of this function by writing f in terms of a unit step function. Now there are three different functions for the function f. So how to write that? F of t equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a plus f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus b. So this is f1, this is f2, this is f3, this point, common point, this is a and this point is b. Okay. So write accordingly. What is f1 of t? 1 plus f2 minus f1 means t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus f3 minus f2 is t square minus t into u of t minus 2. This is your f in terms of unit step function. Now find the Laplace transform. What is Laplace transform of 1? 1 by s plus Laplace transform of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 plus Laplace transform of t square minus t into u of t minus 2. You have to find out term wise now. What is Laplace transform of 1? 1 by s plus this is your f of t minus 1 is t minus 1. What is f of t? T. Easy it is. So it is Laplace transform of here e to the power minus as into f of s. So what is f of t? Here f of t is t. So f of t equal to t. What is Laplace transform of t? 1 by s square. So here e power minus s into 1 by s square. That is because a is 1. So e power minus s means e power minus s plus next this term. Okay. Here f of t minus 2 equal to t square minus t. Okay, so f of t equal to replace t by t plus 2. T plus 2 whole square minus t plus 2. So simplify this. This is t square plus 4 plus 4t minus t minus 2. So t square. This is plus 3t plus 2. You have to get the Laplace transform of this now. So what is Laplace transform of t square? 2 by s cube plus 3t, 3 by s square plus Laplace transform of 2 is 1, 2 by s. Okay, you have to write that here. E power minus a value is 2 minus as into this full term. Okay, so finally you will get Laplace transform as 1 by s plus e power minus s by s square plus this term e power minus 2s by 2 into e power minus 2s by s cube, because 2 into e power minus 2s by s cube plus 3 into e power minus 2s by s square plus 2 into e power minus 2s divided by s. So further simplification, if you want, you can do by taking 1 by s square here common, otherwise keep as it is. This is the Laplace transform of given function by writing the function in terms of unit step function. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching.